My name is Lawrence Nakamoto. I am the executive chef of the restaurants at Neiman Marcus here in Hawaii. And today we'll be creating a simple local favorite of ahi tuna and sweet onion. So my earliest memory of eating poke was just at family gatherings. My dad, when he was going to law school, actually worked at Tamashiro Market as a fish cutter. You know, he told me stories about how they created all these different poke recipes. He took me there a lot. You know, he has his name on the ground, like all those old timers that worked there a long time, so he was proud about that. And yeah, he always just takes me around. You know, back when I was a kid, we would always pickle pihi, pick the pee, so all that kind of early food memories was around him. So he was a big influence on me eating poke growing up. So he would make all kinds of poke for me. We would always buy poke coming home from baseball games, any sports gatherings, and they would always be at all of our potlucks. And I was just always around food growing up. So I think that's really what got me into the interest of trying to cook.
Is there any like special treatment that they get in the poke markets and stuff versus at home? Like, do they rub the fish or massage it or anything like that?
No, the only thing he said is they cut their ahi a little bit different into more like strips versus your typical cubes. That's something that he said that something special they do at Tamashiro Market.
Oh, do you know what the difference is as far as like flavor or texture?
He never really told me that, but maybe it's a secret. To start, we have medium diced fresh ahi tuna. This is about 6 ounces here. We're going to add about 2 pinches or maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of Hawaiian sea salt. I'm going to add also 1/4 cup of sweet onions, about a tablespoon of green onion, and depending on the spice level that you like, a pinch or 2 of red chili flakes. And we're going to take sesame oil, about a 1/4 teaspoon of that, and about a 1/2 teaspoon of shoyu. I like to use kikkoman shoyu, but if you're concerned about gluten-free, you can also use tamari shoyu as a substitute. So we're just going to combine all these ingredients, mix it together. And then we're going to let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now we're going to assemble our poke bowl. So here in the bowl, I have some white rice, but you can use brown rice. You can use any type of rice you'd like to use. And you can also season it with sushi vinegar if you want. You can put some furikake on top for extra flavoring, but today we'll just do plain. And now here we have the vegetables that we're going to put around our poke bowl. So first we have some edamame. Some julienne carrots. This is some Japanese style pickled daikon. I like to put the pickles to add more texture and a little more flavor. You can substitute kimchi if you like, or any other type of pickles that you would like. Some diced cucumber. And then some avocado. And then in the center, we're going to put the poke that we had set aside earlier. And then here I have just some Japanese dressing that I bought in the grocery store. You can use any kind of dressing you like. Sesame dressing, just to dress the vegetables a little bit. Then we're just going to top it with a little bit more green onion. there you have it. A local poke bowl.
What was your favorite fish growing up for
So-
poke?
My favorite was ahi, but when we were lucky to find the aku poke at Tamashiro Market, we would definitely always get that one, but it was always hard to find.
Yeah, somebody actually told me like that makes the best poke,
Yeah,
but I've never tried it because
flavor is much stronger, so it's I don't know,
Oh.
it just tastes a lot better to me.
oh yeah, because nobody really offers aku anymore.
Yeah, I
But-
think it's much harder to find nowadays.
Oh, okay, well thank you for sharing your recipe.
Of course, thank you.